Peak Silicone Plus premium hybrid wiper blades are an upgrade to any vehicle. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with hook wiper arms. Hook wiper arms are among the easiest to install because you won't need any of the additional adapters, just the blade itself. First, with the wiper arm in the upright position, pull the adapter latch on the wiper blade up with your finger until it's fully open. Next, angle the front of the blade upward and push the wiper arm end through the hole in the front of the adapter on the blade. Now, pull the wiper blade past the front tabs in the adapter until the wiper arm locks into place. Depending on your vehicle, you should feel or hear a snap or click. Visually check that the wiper arm is past the tabs. Then, push the adapter latch down to lock it into place. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a plastic protector over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done! Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and then you're ready for the fun part, activating the blade's water repellency. To do that, run the wipers at medium speed for 3 to 5 minutes on a dry windshield. Then, spray washer fluid onto the windshield and allow the blades to clear it. This will make sure your windshield is thoroughly coated. Now you're set, ready to easily wipe away the elements with your new Peak Silicone Plus wiper blades with infused water repellent technology.